What's up, guys? Ben Someplace 123 here. Today I'm going to be showing you my bird and my sister's bird. So I just have to put this down and do something. Okay, guys, they are woken up now. Well, I didn't wake them up. I just took down the blanket. That's my sister's bird, Sky. Hi, Sky. That's my bird, Maverick. Here's their training cage. There's their play cage. Go check out Bear Hunter 48. Oh, it doesn't. Oh. My bird flew out of the cage. Get in the cage, Maverick. Good boy. My bird just flew into the window. Maverick, in the cage. You're not allowed out anymore when my sister's not around because you just flew into the window. In, Maverick, now. Maverick, in. Maverick, in. No slide. Get in the cage now. I gotta pause the video to get the birds in the cage.